Oh no, not David's remote control helicopter. We shouldn't have got that toy for him. Eric, come here please.
Yes, Mom and Dad.
David's remote control helicopter is interrupting our nap. It needs to be destroyed. Can you please destroy it, Eric?
I will destroy it. It's been waking me up last night.
If you destroy it, you will be ungrounded and we will give you a prize.
Okay, I'll do it.
I love my remote control helicopter. Why did you push me, Eric?
You'll see why.
Don't you dare step on my remote control helicopter.
Now I'm throwing the remote away. Mission complete.
Great job, Eric. Now we can nap again. You are ungrounded. Before we ground David, we will give you your prize like we promised.
Oh boy. What's my prize? Yay 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 yay. I got a new Latios.
He's a lot better than the old one, because he has better moves for Pokemon battles and he will never attack you.
And also, he only attacks people when they get grounded.
David, you are grounded for disturbing our nap with your remote control helicopter.
Latios, use Lester per John David.
No 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 no. That hurt a lot.
We don't care. Go to bed right now.